Hello, my dear little stars. Hope you all are doing well at your home, helping your parents, grandparents, not annoying them, right? So, here now today we will study subject computer. Open your computer book, page number 15 and chapter number 3, okay? So chapter 3 open. What's that? Uses of computer. The topic is use of computer. So what do we do with the computer system? Okay. Here point 1. We can draw pictures, type letters, do sums, play games, listen music and watch movies. You can see here pictures also that this boy is doing what? Drawing picture with the help of system, and this one is just typing letter. Here this girl is doing what? Doing sums, addition, right? You have learned the sum and addition. I taught you. Here this boy is playing games. So playing games is not very good habit. You can play for short time. Okay, make a timetable of your day work. Means study time, playing time, okay, eating time, so sleeping time. Here next point, that listen music. You can listen that music with the computer system. You can watch movies there, your favorite movies, okay. Okay, you can just listen music of the favorite rhymes also, okay. But what to do? That make a limited time for watching movies, watching that cartoons, that listening music, okay. So make a timetable of it, that short time you use that for watching that movies and listening music and watching that cartoons, playing games there. Here, just because that if we use that uh, excess time there with the computer system and that with that mobile phones, so if we do that, what will happen? It will harm your eyes, okay. You just do the studies over there nowadays with the computer system, and little time you use for playing games and watching movies, okay. Be a very good child, right? So here one activity you have to do, that take the work that we do with the help of computer system. We will tick there, okay. Now there first row, how many pictures there? 3 pictures. What do you have to do? That tick, and this is the sign of tick. Tick where? With the correct picture, the help of computer system. What do we do? We learn singing. We can sing, yes. We can play chess, yes. We can study with the help of computer system, yes, okay. So and we can just clean clothes. So mama can clean clothes? No. Cross that. We can cook food there? No. You can do the painting? Yes. How many pictures? 6 pictures and 6 answers I have shown here. You can just go with that once again. We can do the singing, yes, take there. We can play on the computer system, chess, yes. We can study, yes. Yes, we can wash clothes, no. We can cook food, no. We can just do the drawing, yes, tick over there. So I have done, you have to do in your book also. Alright. Next, just see that page number 17. What is there? We see computers at different places. Some places of them are here. Here you can see that some pictures there, that tells that we can see the computer systems there. Where do we see the computer system? Just tell. Only at your homes? No, we see the systems in our schools also, in the banks also, your father's offices also, right? That at hospitals also, at railway station, at airport, you have seen, yes? Most of the time, if you go with your parents, you can see that system in the offices and that banks, at hospitals, at railway stations. You see the system at your home, in the schools also, right? So these are the places there we see the computer system. Okay? Where? Once again tell. At homes, in offices, in schools, in banks, at hospitals, at railway station, at airport. Now turn page number 18. Here also some activity you have to do, that put a tick. A computer is used to. Where is computer used? So you have to take the correct answer. Exercise A, you see that you have to put tick. Now, picture A, playing games. We can play with the computer system? Yes. Picture B, we cook food with the system? No. Picture C, we just do the whitewash painting with the system? No. Now, here you can see that point 2. A computer is used in. Where is the computer used? Picture A, in the kitchen. We use system? No. We use system in the storeroom? No. But we use the system in school lab? Yes. So this way you put tick and cross. Number 1 point, A is correct, B, C wrong. Number 2 point, A, B wrong, C is the correct one. Okay, the activity you can see here. Just see in your book. Picture 1, this boy is playing games. We can do with the system? Yes. Mother cooking food. We can do with the system? No. This boy is washing that whitewash. Just what doing? That doing that whitewash, painting. Okay. So, we can do with that whitewash? No. Cross that. Here, our computer is used in. Where do we see? Here in the kitchen? No. In the storeroom? No. We can see that system in the lab. Yes, yes. You have to put the right here. Alright. Now, exercise B. Here you have to do what? Matching. Match the picture with the correct use of computer. Okay. Here you can see the right side, 2 pictures. 2 children are working on computer. Here you see the left side, the children are just doing some work on the computer system. In the middle, some points are there. So middle point you have to match with the activity they are doing. Okay. Here you do just match. Matching. What matching? That point 1 you just write here. Listening. Listening, music. MUSIC. Number point 2 is what? WATCHING. Watching cartoons. 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 Watching cartoons. Next point is what? Typing. 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 Letters. 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 4th point. Doing sums. DOING. Doing. SUMS. Sums. Alright. Now make a circle on it, on these points. Now these circles you have to just match with that picture. This side you see that child is doing what? That one is that the child is here typing letters. And here what do you see? The girl is just listening some music here. Listening music. Okay. This side you see that this boy is just watching what? Watching cartoon. This boy is watching cartoons. Cartoon of Angry Bird. है ना? You just see that. Now, this girl is doing what? Just doing sums. Okay. So now match. Listening music first. You have to match listening music. So music is where? Here. Second point, watching cartoons. Cartoon is there. Here. Third point, typing letters is here. Fourth point, doing sums is here. So you have to match it like this. Okay. Now, next you see page number 19. Very interesting activity. You have to do this exercise. That what? Pick the letters in the following path and write the names of the places where computers are used. When you do that, just find out in this path, this cross path, what you see? That correct spelling of these pictures. There we use the computer. Here 4 pictures are there. 2 with red and 2 with blue strings, right? Now first you see that this boy is doing what? Using computer here. Where? At home. So where do we see the computer? At home. Spelling of homes you find H-O-M-E-S. This part you have find the spelling of homes. Now second, you just see that O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Offices. So here what do we do? That this way he has just found that offices this side, and here this side what we have found? We have found what? Homes, right? So when you cross that first side, what did you find? First cross homes. So where will you write? When the string dash came in this cross way, so here what this, which spelling we have found? Home. H-O-M-E-S. H-O-M-E-S. Here this side cross offices. O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Offices. Here this side the cross. What we have found? Just see the spellings. See the spelling. S-C-H-O-O-L-S. Schools. Here just once again we go through that. String this one, you see, H-O-M-E-S. Homes, here ending this. Offices, O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Here. Now, schools, S-C-H-O-O-L-S. Here. Schools, banks. B-A-N-K, this ending S. Now, you just go through the picture and write the correct spelling here. Alright. Picture 1 is the spelling of here. H-O-M-E-S. Homes, offices. So, homes is here. H-O-M-E-S. Offices, O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Schools. Then after banks. Here banks. B-A-N-K-S, banks. H-O-M-E-S. Picture 1 is of homes. Picture 2 is of schools. No, offices. Picture 3 is of schools. Picture 4 is of banks. Alright, this way you have to complete your these activity. Okay. So spelling of homes, H-O-M-E-S. Spelling of offices, O-F-F-I-C-E-S. Okay. Now, spelling of schools, S-C-H-O-O-L-S, schools. Spelling of banks, B-A-N-K-S, banks. If it is asked where do we see the computer systems, you can easily say that at homes, in the offices, okay, in the school, and where? In the banks. Okay. Now, just go through what? Just go through the revision again. What do we do with the computer system? We do many things like draw pictures, type letters, do sums, play games, but short time. It will harm your eyes. Listen music, watch movies. Alright. And here, where do we see the computer systems? At homes, in offices, in schools, in banks, at hospitals, at railway stations and airports. You have to learn these spellings also and the points. What do we do with the computer system? Alright. So study well, enjoy the day. Thank you, class.